Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your English lecture. So, children, today we are going to start a new chapter in English, that is a good play. Okay, so children, we all like to play, isn't it? Okay, so now let's start. So, here you can see picture also, right? So, the boy is playing. Okay, we built a ship upon the stairs. We built a ship upon the stairs. So children, here in the sentence is here in the sentence, what are they trying to say? They are trying to say that we have built a ship upon the stairs. Okay, so they are playing like that because they are just building artificial ship upon the stairs just to play. Okay, all made of the back bedroom chairs. So the shape here is made of what? It is made up of bedroom chairs. Okay, and filled it with full of soft pillows, and then the ship is filled with soft pillows to go a sailing on the billows. What are they trying to say? To go a sailing on the billows. Now billows means waves. Okay, it means great waves. So now they are building a ship upon the stairs with what? With back bedroom chairs, and then the ship is filled with soft pillows, and now they are just ready to go for a sail. Where? On the billows, that means on the waves. Okay, then we took a saw and several nails. Now children, do you know what is the meaning of saw? It is a hand tool used for cutting wood, or it is used to cut hard material. Okay, what is it? It is a hand tool which is used for cutting wood or for cutting hard material. Okay, so now what are they doing? They are just making the boat. Okay, so they have used what? They have used saw and what? And several nails. Now children, do you know the meaning of nail? It is a small metal spike used to join things. Okay, it is a small metal spike which is used to join things. So they are trying to make the boat with what? With several nails and saw, and then water in the nursery pail. Now pail means, pail is a vessel of wood having handle, and it is used for what? It is used for carrying liquids. Okay, so now what is pail? Pail is a vessel of wood having handle which is used for carrying liquids. Okay, so now what is it? We built a ship upon the stairs, all made of the back bedroom chairs, and filled it full of soft pillows to go a sailing on the billows. We took a saw and several nails and water in the nursery pail. So now they have filled water in the nursery pail. Okay, and Tom said, let us go take let us also take an apple and a slice of cake. So now when they have planned to go on a boat, right? Sorry, on a ship. So now they want some snacks also. So now they are planning to take an apple and what? And a slice of cake, which was enough for Tom and me to go a sailing on till sea. So now they are saying that an apple and a cake is enough for them to go a sailing on till sea. Okay, then we sailed along for days and days. They are going to sail, or they have sailed along for days and days and had the very best of plays. So what they are trying to say? They are trying to say that they sailed in the water for days and days in their ship, okay, in their ship, and had the very best of plays and they enjoyed there, okay. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee. But Tom fell out and he hurt his knee. So there was no one left but me. Right, so there was no one left but me. So here what are they trying to say? That Tom, Tom just fell off. So here you can see in the picture that Tom fell out and he hurt his knee because the ship was not real. They were just playing, they were just making a play. Okay, so they were just trying to make the ship with the use of chairs and pillows. So so what happened then? Tom just fell out and he hurt his knee. What happened? Tom Tom fell out and he hurt his knee. He fell out from the stairs because they were making the ship on the stairs. So Tom fell out and hurt his knee. So there was no one left but only me. Then only the poet was left. Right, because Tom fell out, then only he was left in the in what? In the ship. Okay. So children, this was about a good play. Okay. So once again we will read it. Okay, so now you will also read along with me. We built a ship upon the stairs, all made of the back bedroom chairs, and filled it full of soft pillows to go a sailing on the billows. We took a saw and several nails, and water in the nursery pails. And Tom said, "Let us also take an apple and a slice of cake," which was enough for Tom and me to go a sailing on till tea. Okay. We sailed along for days and days and had the very best of plays. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee. So there was no one left but only me. Okay, children, so we will write the new words tomorrow. So today what you have to do is, today you have to keep on reading this only. Okay, so you have to keep on reading this and you have to underline the new words by yourself in your English textbook. Okay, it is there on the page number 59 of your textbook. Okay, so you just have to underline the new words with only pencil. Okay, and then tomorrow we will write the new words in the English notebook. Okay children, so now that's all for today. See you soon in your next lecture.